8 minus 5 gives us 3. 8 minus 5 here also gives us 3, right? And then 3 times 3 gives us 9. It looks good, looks okay, but you fell for a big trap. And unfortunately, this answer is not wrong. So you fell for a trap, hook, line, and sinker. You fell for the order of operations trap. You didn't follow the correct order. But for God's sake, what is the correct order? The correct order is something called PEMDAS. It's an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS stands for. Let's see what PEMDAS is. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And here it gives us a vector, an arrow of precedence and priority. So here we have the highest priority and here we have the lowest priority. It means that you must do the parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division, whichever you see at first, from left to right. So multiplication and division, they have the same precedence and priority. MD or DM doesn't matter. First come, first serve. Again, the same thing can be said for addition and subtraction from left to right. So, for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Oh, I think I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul. I'm not sure. But let's now revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So let's do what's inside the parentheses. So 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5 gives us 3. So we can remove the parentheses and turn it into multiplication because this 5 is paired with this parenthesis, not paired with this first A. That was the optical illusion that you fell for. We have now a multiplication and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. You must do this at first, not the first part. So you can't just go from left to right. Don't do this, please, for God's sake. So 8 minus 5 times 3 gives us minus 15. And 8 minus 15, it's minus 7. And that's the only correct answer. So please drop your answers in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also like the video to support me. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had 8 minus 5 inside the parentheses squared? I'll see you in the next video.